What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ajane, and in today's video I'm giving you guys a wig install. This wig is by Lavy Hair. This is 20 inches of their loose deep wave, and it is 150 density. Everything you need to know will be linked down below. This video has like two parts because I installed the wig and then I was like, ew, let's try again. So I went ahead and did this style for you guys. So the initial install is first, and then the next part will be me actually doing this style. I know this style isn't much, but this is my go-to style when I don't know what to do with my hair. Hit that subscribe button if you're new. Follow me for more videos, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next clip. And today's film doing a wig install by Lavy Hair. If you are OG, then you know that I worked with them before, and I actually do like the wig that I had from them. But now we're working with a loose deep wave instead of a deep wave. I already washed and bleached the knots. I actually over bleached, so we're gonna see, you know, how it looks on my head with that with it being like over bleached. 20-inch loose deep wave wig, and I'm excited to see how it looks on my head. It comes with an elastic band, and it actually has like a lot of lace space. It's like the best lace space that I've seen so far. And my head is pretty small, so I always make it as tight as possible. So yes, my wig be a little gapped up in the back, but I did learn a trick that can help like make it smooth, so I'm gonna actually try that. So it's been a minute since I installed a wig, but it's all pretty much the same. Slick back your edges, put your wig cap on. This is a HD wig cap, my first time ever using one, and I struggled a little bit trying to figure out what was going on. But yeah, cut your ear tabs off, and I'm using this melting spray by the Wig Dealer. I have a whole kit by them, and yeah. And then, you know, the usual, cut your wig cap off with a razor and put your makeup on it to make it look like your skin. Okay, so the ball cap is on. I've never used the HD ball cap. I can kind of see a difference. I think me putting the makeup on top of the wig cap after kind of made it worse. But this is my first time doing it, so I'm kind of just experimenting, and I know that I should be using like alcohol or something, but I'm gonna use makeup remover. I think that the way my cap is now is okay. I think I do need to cut off some more of this. Okay guys, let's put the wig on. This is how the wig is looking. I don't want to pluck the hairline, y'all. I just don't want to. So we're gonna see, but if I have to pluck it, I do have tweezers. I just don't want to pluck it right now. I like to wait until it's melted to see how much I need to pluck off. We took the band off, so now we cut the lace. Y'all, I'm actually not that good at cutting lace. So. Okay, so I went ahead and took the thing off, cut the lace. I'll put the video on the screen because I actually forgot to turn on my camera, but yeah, I don't know. I'm just gonna hope for the best. Like I mentioned earlier, this wig has really good parting space. I really enjoyed how I could make that part deep and I could curve it as well. That looks really good. Like, I'm literally obsessed. That looks so good. And yeah, I'm doing a side part just for the initial install, but later I am going to style it. So here I am plucking. I don't like to pluck it off my head because when I do that, I always over pluck it. So I'm plucking it on my head so I know how full I want my hairline to be. Okay guys, so this edge is really thick because I just didn't really feel like plucking it, to be honest, but you're not gonna see it, so we'll take this out. I'm gonna see you guys in the morning. Okay, so the last thing I normally do for my wigs is the powder foundation to like really push down, to really cover up like the lace up here. I'm not even gonna work on my area, just my edges on this side, because I am going out tonight and I don't want to play with my hair too much before I go out tonight. So this is how we're looking so far. I also forgot to put some makeup in the part, so alright guys, so that is the video. I love this wig. Yeah, that girl. Yeah, Lavy Hair, love Lavy Hair. Their curly hair is bomb. The first wig I ever had from them was a deep wave, and this is their loose deep wave. And yeah, she is really pretty. The density does give more natural. If you want to go for more like of a natural look, 150, but if you want that like big like bang look, then definitely get like a 180 200 density. But this 150 density is really pretty. It's linked down below if you guys want more details on the wig. And yeah, I just feel like that girl. I'm excited for this weekend. I'm just going to go watch the new Barbie movie, vibe out or whatever. And yeah, if you want more information on this wig, you know what to do. Go in my description box, it's down below. Follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, all at Your Pink Pillow, if you want to see me rock this style out in, you know, my day-to-day life. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much, and thank you Lavy Hair for sending me this unit. I'll see you guys later. Peace.